Hopefully you guys are subscribed to the channel. I've been talking about Ripple, an announcement that I thought was coming this week that's actually a pretty big deal, albeit people are simply passing over this information. We're going to be breaking down exactly what's going on with Metaplan and SBI Holdings and how it all integrates back to Ripple. This one's a pretty good one. Also, a pretty wild price prediction. Stick around to the end for that. But until then, hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get into it. So the news that we got just a few hours ago was Ripple Partners SBI Holding is teaming up with Japan's Metaplanet. Now, Metaplanet is deemed as the Japanese MicroStrategy. More recently, they've been buying huge amounts in the hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. They've been absolutely buying at the top when it dumped, and even more when it dumped as well. So this could be a pretty interesting partnership. And again, this is absolutely directly linked back to the XRP ecosystem. But the simple fact, XRP partnered with SBI, the most recent partner, in fact, says Japanese hotel management company Metaplanet, a seasoned BTC holder, has partnered with SBI's crypto investment service for Bitcoin trading and custody. Now, the tinfoil hat wearing among us would say, well, is this a strategic partnership? Is there a little bit more to this that we've all figured or thought was going to be coming very, very soon? Again, what is Metaplanet and how does it operate? And ultimately, therefore, how does it all link back to SBI Holdings? Well, Metaplanet securing the future with Bitcoin. Let me just talk a little bit about what it's all about. Leveraging BTC as its principal treasury reserve asset. Very interesting, the complete flip on this. A strategic pivot is driven by Bitcoin's unique attributes, including its absolute scarcity and apolitical monetary policy. Metaplanet boasts over a decade of diversified business engagement with deep roots in Japan, and our dynamic team comprises of seasoned professionals with expertise in finance, trading, real estate, and Bitcoin. So again, this is a very, very important partnership. SBI Holdings, we know, is all to do with hedges, real estate as well, banking infrastructure, finance as well. Very, very interesting, coming together, a real asset-driven company around Bitcoin and a financially driven company like SBI Holdings. This could be a pretty big deal. And I actually think, just my view here, I do think something will come out specifically about XRP, Ripple, and how it all works together. I'm not a law expert, but I would imagine at the minute, given the SEC situation, there could be ramifications for going ahead with anything like this while we still await that payment and to finally move on from everything that's been going on. I actually talked about what that could look like if the SEC appealed it in my most recent update video yesterday. So if you haven't seen that, definitely go and have a look. What's interesting, though, is we are finally starting to see some positive move with Ripple. Here is the XRP OL weighted funding rate. What does this mean? People are buying XRP again, and we'll take a look at the price action in just a minute. But yesterday I talked about the dip. I talked about the whole market having a dip, and to basically understand what it was, we actually looked into, we knew exactly what was happening. We could pinpoint the wallets and who was doing it. What a surprise. The market rebounds 3.5% right now for XRP. So again, the absolute thing that we thought would play out pretty much did. You can see here on the 8-hour chart, as the funding rate goes up, people looking to take positions back into XRP. $872.5 million in derivatives trading. Very interesting as this kind of pushes up, which brings us to the wild price prediction that people are throwing around. Now, I've seen many price predictions as we go along, but what if Bitcoin were to hit $500,000? People predicting that we're going to see an even more bullish move on BTC. Where does this all filter through? Well, actually, here it says here, famous crypto expert King 100x Gems predicts that XRP could attain a double-digit value if Bitcoin hits 500,000 by the end of the bull cycle. Now, I just want to stand here. Double-digit is definitely possible. If we're getting into the world of a $20,000 Bitcoin, as you may see on other channels, I'm not sure I absolutely get that. But if XRP could hit $20 for Bitcoin at $500,000, I think that is a very reasonable price chart. Now, I hear you all shouting at your screens and your phones. Yes, I appreciate we need to do something with supply. Yes, I appreciate volume needs to come in. Yes, I appreciate upside movement needs to come in. But actually, $20 for Ripple does feel relatively solid. At a $10 trillion market cap for the overall crypto market, I think we're in a good prediction. Take a look at the chart like we said. Well, look, we bounced off this trend line that I drew, and I talked about these moving averages Fibonacci's yesterday pretty much perfectly. What am I looking for? The next one, 58 cents. The 50-day simple moving average, I'd like to see us break above that and continue to push to the upside. What will be more interesting as well is as we play on this Fibonacci at the 236 at 56.63, a break above that could align us perfectly for this move at the 382 fib at that higher price range of 58 cents. So I think there is a little bit of work to do. The overall market feels like it's having a slightly better turn. You can see this big green candle here, this important line that I drew yesterday. Go watch that video if you want to know what that is. But the market looks like we are in recovery. It looks like we are setting up for what could be a nice move. Remember, the September 18th Fed rate cuts cannot come soon enough. They're going to be pretty interesting. But another big partner for Ripple. Are we going to see some further adaptation from Metaplanet, leveraging that access to the Japanese market, as well as further builds out with SBI Holdings and many more? All sounds very bullish. Keep your eye on the price. It might just start to move quite significantly to the upside. If you enjoyed this type of content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget we're here 6 days a week bringing you the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency, so make sure that notification bell is clicked to all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.